In the annals of automotive history, few stories burn as brightly as that of the Lamborghini Miura. This isn't just a tale of pistons and sheet metal. It's a saga of passion, rebellion, and the birth of an icon that would forever change the landscape of high-performance automobiles. Our story begins with a clash of titans. Ferruccio Lamborghini, a self-made industrialist with a penchant for fine machinery, found himself on the receiving end of a stinging insult from none other than Enzo Ferrari. The proud Lamborghini, his ego bruised but his resolve steeled, vowed to create a car that would surpass anything wearing the prancing horse badge. But Ferruccio's vision wasn't of screaming race cars tearing up circuits. No, he dreamed of perfect Grand Tours, luxurious chariots for the discerning gentleman driver. Yet within the walls of Lamborghini's fledgling company, a revolution was brewing. A trio of young, brilliant engineers, Gianpaolo Dallara, Paolo Stanzani, and test driver Bob Wallace, shared a different dream. In secret, working late into the night, they birthed the P400 project. This wasn't just a car. It was automotive heresy, a complete reimagining of what a high-performance machine could be. At the heart of their creation lay a chassis that would shake the foundations of the automotive world. Inspired by the cutting-edge designs dominating racetracks, they dared to place a screaming V12 engine transversely behind the driver. This was no mere technical exercise. It was a declaration of war on conventional thinking. When the bare chassis was unveiled at the 1965 Turin Auto Show, it sent shockwaves through the industry. Here, stripped of any bodywork, was the skeleton of the future. But a car cannot live by engineering alone. Enter Bertone, the legendary Italian design house, and a young prodigy named Marcello Gandini. Tasked with the impossible, clothing this revolutionary chassis in a matter of months, Gandini unleashed his genius. The result, unveiled to a stunned audience at the 1966 Geneva Motor Show, was nothing short of automotive alchemy. The Miura emerged, a symphony of curves and aggression, impossibly low and achingly beautiful. This wasn't just a new car, it was the birth of an entirely new category. The term supercar was coined on the spot, for no existing word could adequately describe this mechanical masterpiece. To behold a Miura in the flesh is to witness living art. Those iconic eyelash headlights, peering out from beneath curved lids, seem to wink at you, hinting at the mischief within. The front and rear clamshells, when raised, reveal the car's mechanical soul, like the wings of some exotic mechanical butterfly. And at its heart, that glorious 3.9-liter V12, a naturally aspirated marvel that sang a song to make the gods weep. But make no mistake, the Miura was as dangerous as it was beautiful. At high speeds, that sensuous body generated lift, causing the front end to feel disconcertingly light. Early models were plagued by the risk of fire, their thirsty carburetors all too eager to feed the flames. And the cabin, it was an oven on wheels, a crucible where man and machine became one through shared suffering. To drive a Miura was to dance with the devil himself. This was no sanitized modern supercar, coddling its driver with electronic nannies. No, the Miura demanded absolute focus, a symbiosis of man and machine. One misstep, one moment of inattention, and this beautiful beast would remind you of its wild nature. As the years passed, Lamborghini attempted to tame their creation. The Miura S and SV models brought refinements, addressing some of the car's more hair-raising quirks, but they never fully domesticated it. And perhaps that was for the best. The Miura's raw character was part of its intoxicating allure. It's no wonder that the Miura became a cultural touchstone, the must-have accessory for the rich and famous. Frank Sinatra, the chairman of the board himself, owned one. So did Miles Davis, the coolest cat in jazz. To possess a Miura was to announce to the world that you lived life on the edge. Consequences be damned. For Lamborghini, the Miura was a watershed moment. It catapulted the young company from a curiosity to a force to be reckoned with in the realm of high-performance automobiles. The DNA of the Miura would flow through every Lamborghini that followed, cementing the company's identity as a purveyor of the most extreme, most desirable sports cars on the planet. But the Miura's influence extends far beyond the gates of Sant'Agata Bolognese. Every mid-engine supercar that followed from Ferrari to McLaren, from Pagani to Koenigsegg, owes a debt to this pioneering bull. The Miura didn't just set the template, it wrote the entire playbook for what a supercar could and should be. Now, over half a century since its debut, the Miura's beauty remains undimmed by the passage of time. In a world of increasingly homogenized design, its curves and proportions still have the power to stop hearts and turn heads. To see a Miura in motion is to witness living history, a reminder of a time when passion and daring trumped focus groups and safety regulations. The Lamborghini Miura stands as a testament to what can be achieved when brilliant minds are given free rein to chase their wildest dreams. It's a sculpture in motion, a mechanical symphony, and a time machine all rolled into one. More than just a car, the Miura is a legend. Dangerous, beautiful, and utterly unforgettable.